Hurry up! I need to get on the train!
Remove all the blocks.
I'll take the first block, number 3, and put it at the bottom. Take block number 2 from the second carriage and put it in the middle. Finally, I'll take block number 1 from the third carriage and put it on top. Now I can get on the train.
No, you can't get on the train.
What?
Look at how you arrange the blocks. From top to bottom, 3 plus 2 does not equal 1.
The blocks fell.
Bail out.
There are 4 blocks in the carriage now. I'll take the first 2 number 1 blocks off. What's 1 plus 1? Guys, should I put the number 2 block or the number 3 block on top?